Every gardener understands that healthy plants require nutrients, and often the best sources of these nutrients are right in your kitchen. Instead of throwing out expired ingredients, repurpose them in your garden. This approach not only improves plant growth, but it also reduces waste. It's a simple, effective, and environmentally friendly way to ensure that your garden receives the nutrients it requires without spending a lot of money on expensive fertilizers. Let's take a look at some ways to transform spoiled ingredients into garden gold. Milk that is just about to spoil may appear to be something you should throw away, but it is actually a hidden treasure for your plants. After diluting, milk acts as a natural fertilizer in the soil, providing essential nutrients such as calcium, which is required for strong cell walls in plants. This can help prevent common tomato problems such as blossom end rot. Simply pour the sour milk around the base of your plants and lightly mix it into the soil. But milk's benefits do not end there. It also works well to prevent powdery mildew, a common fungal disease. To make a preventative spray, dilute 1 part milk with 10 parts water. Then simply spray it on the surface of your plant's leaves. This creates a barrier that protects your plants from mildew while also providing a nutrient boost. Flour is another pantry staple that can be repurposed in the garden. Don't throw it away just because it's stale. Flour is high in nitrogen, which is essential for the growth of leafy vegetables, such as lettuce and spinach. It also contains micronutrients like calcium, which can help enrich your soil. The best way to use stale flour is to lightly dust it over the soil several weeks before planting. This allows the flour to break down and release nutrients into the soil, making it ready for your crops. If you're already composting, try adding flour in thin layers to your pile. Just make sure to distribute it evenly to avoid clumps, which can slow down the composting process. This simple addition can enrich your compost even further, providing a significant nutrient boost to your garden when it comes time to plant. When it comes to kitchen waste, the majority of uncooked plant-based scraps contain nutrients that are too valuable to waste. Vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells can all be composted to produce a nutrient-dense soil amendment. Composting is as simple as collecting kitchen scraps in a container and placing them in a compost pile or bin. These scraps degrade over time, forming a dark, crumbly substance rich in nutrients that your plants require to thrive. You can also bury these scraps right in your garden. Dig a hole or trench, fill with kitchen scraps, and cover with soil. To give your plants an even better start, mix in slow-release fertilizers such as bone meal or compost. After 6 to 8 weeks, this buried treasure will have decomposed enough to provide food for your plants, transforming waste into a valuable garden resource. These simple methods demonstrate that you do not need fancy products or complicated techniques to give your plants a healthy boost. You can enrich your garden soil, protect your plants, and reduce waste all at once by reusing milk, flour, and kitchen scraps that would otherwise be discarded. It benefits both you and your garden. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening tips, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.